Hello students, Sai Ram. Welcome to online computer classes. Students, as you know, we have studied about our chapter 4 TuxPaint in last to last class and studied about what is TuxPaint, how can we open it, TuxPaint window and some tools of TuxPaint. Okay. Now today we are going to learn some more tools in TuxPaint, okay, such as fill tool, then flower tool and stamp tool. Okay, so let's start. Okay, now our first tool is fill tool. Okay, using fill tool. Fill tool is same as fill with color tool in Microsoft Paint. It is used to fill color in any object. It is works same like as we studied same like fill with color tool in Microsoft Paint. We can choose any color and fill it in any object by just clicking once inside that object. For that, we have to click inside that object in which we want to fill color. Okay, now let's see how fill tool work in TuxPaint. Okay, students? Okay, now student, let's see how can we use fill effect. Okay, here on the screen you can see our scenery picture is there, and in that we are going to fill the color in river and mountain. Okay, so let's see how to fill it. Okay, select fill tool and choose blue color from the color palette. Now bring the pointer over the river, click on it. The blue color will fill it in the river. Select brown color and click on the mountain to fill brown color in them. Okay, like this. Now after that, likewise fill yellow color in sun. Okay, like this you can color your picture. Understand, students? Okay, now students, our next tool is flower tool. It is very interesting tool because using flower tool we can make ready-made flower on our drawing. Flower tool is no longer difficult. It is very easy. You can make ready-made flower using flower magic tool. We can draw different colors flower also, and as we change color from the color palette, same as we can draw color flowers. And whenever you want to draw flower, you can just click to once on that part of the drawing and flower will be made. Okay, it will draw curvy stalk flower. Okay, flower tool is a sub tool of magic tool. Okay, so let's see practically how can we draw flower in our drawing using flower magic tool. Understand? Okay, flower tool is used to ready-made option to draw flower on the canvas. Let's see. Okay, click on the flower tool, which is sub tool of the magic tool. Okay, now select red color from the color palette Bring the magic wand in a drawing area and just one click on the grass area to add flower on it. Okay, like this. Likewise, select different color to add colorful flower on the grass. You can see like this. You can draw the flower. Like this, you can use flower tool on your drawing. Understand, student? It is very interesting tool. You can use it anywhere in any kind of drawing. Understand? Okay. Our next tool is stamp tool. You can see stamp tool on the screen. This is called stamp tool. Written below S-T-A-M-P, stamp. I think you all have already aware about stamp. Okay. Stamp means sticker. Okay. Very good. It is a very interesting tool. Stamp tool is used to put a stamp and add image in drawing. We can add using stamp tool in any ready-made image of anything of your drawing as a stamp. Okay, stamp as a sticker. TuxPaint already has some inbuilt stamps. Okay, whenever we download the TuxPaint, it will come with already inbuilt stamp. These stamps are of only penguin. 6 to 7 stamps are there. That is TuxPaint gives us by default. But if you want to download more stamp, then we can use the link given here, www.tuxpaint.org/download/window. Using this link, you can download more stamp from the internet. Free, no charges for downloading the stamp. Okay. If you want to download more stamp, then you can download it from this website, tuxpaint.org. The link is given on your screen. Understand? Then select the following link. More stamp to download. The link is tuxpaint-stamps-2018-0901-win32-installer.exe. Understand? You have to click on this link and download more stamp. Okay. Understand? Now let's see stamp tool on TuxPaint window. How it works. Understand? Okay. Here on the screen you can see stamp tool window is given on the left side of our window. The second tool is stamp tool. You can see when we select this stamp tool is sub toolbox. Here it will gives us stamps 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stamps are there. These stamps are only of penguin. But if you want to download more stamp, then you can use the link that we have discussed earlier. Okay. Now here see on the screen, whenever we select stamp tool, in the sub tool here right is stamp. Okay. Now these stamps are available and we can put this stamp in our drawing. It will look like as a sticker. Okay. Now at the bottom of the stamp toolbox, here one button is given. This is called mirror button. Okay. So using this mirror button, then we can change side of the stamp. It means if the stamp side is left, then we are convert into right side. Okay. So it made the stamp opposite side. Understand? And below this one box is given. It is like a volume bar. It is name is a slope bar. What? Slope. S-L-O-P-E, slope bar. Using this bar, we can choose the size of the stamp. Means you can choose the size of the stamp. Understand? And this two arrow, right and left, are using this arrow. We can go further to next stamp. When we download the stamp, we can use this arrow to use more stamp. Understand? Like this, you can use stamp tool. Understand, students? Okay, student, let's see practically how can we use stamp tool in our drawing. Okay. So, first click on stamp tool. Choose any one stamp from the sub toolbox. Select the heart stamp tool. Now click on the canvas and stamp tool is pasted. Likewise, select the cork stamp and paste on the canvas. See, like this, you can select and paste it on the canvas. We can also use the mirror of the selected stamp by choosing the mirror option below the right and left arrow key in the sub toolbox. Click on the mirror button. Now paste the selected stamp beside the previous stamp like this. Understand, student? Okay, like this you can use your stamp tool. It is very interesting, student. Please be practice. Understand? Okay, now students, this much is all for today's class. In next class, we will learn our next tools of Tux Paint. Okay? Thank you, and once again, Sai Ram.